Alright, we're hiking Yōtei. Finally fucking doing it. We're all keen, we're all very excited. Alright, let's fucking do it. Backpacks on, drones in the bag. Hopefully we can fly it up there into the fucking thing, you know? Let's go! Of course. We found a swing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good? Fuck, that's sick. Ooh, that's a nice tree. Ooh, wow. It's not too bad. It's pretty mellow. Oh, fucking got me more than anything. Been a fucking morning dew. This is fun. I like hiking. Nearly there. You can see the top. I think we're about maybe like over 1,000 meters up. We're getting there. Yeah, good stretch there, brother. Come on, mate. There he is. Jamo. Made it to part of the peak. Not the top, but a top. Ah, what a view. We live there. To the top we go. Last leg.
This is beautiful.
Last bit.
Oh my god, I'm so happy, like it's so clear.
It's so beautiful!
So beautiful!
Oh, Dios mío! We're at the top, one of the peaks. Yo, this is sick! What the hell? That's nuts. There we go, we done it. Top of Yōtei. Nuts! Pretty cool, but structures of some sort here, once upon a time. What ancient civilization built this? What a feat of magnificence. Fully in the clouds. It's kind of sick. So yeah. On a beauty. At the top of a volcano. Yummy! Yeah, nothing gonna stop me, bud. Let's go! Bloody girl's taking forever. What are they doing? Jamo's falling asleep, they've taken so long. Let's go.
No fun throwing out that rock. That's nice, isn't it? Right. Fucking hell.
Lucky this tree saved me. Oh, fucking hell.
You good?
Yeah, mate. Look, it's pretty steep.
You're gonna fall out. Yeah.
I'm gonna fall, I just did. Holy. Remember it being this steep. getting close to the bottom. I'm absolutely shattered. My legs are starting to fail. We're loving it. Everyone's kind of going at their own pace now. Oh, fuck me. Give me the energy I fucking need to get down. Fucking nearly there. And I have to go to work after this. What a joke. When you are alone in the woods, you hear noises, it does fucking scare you a little bit, to say that much. You're in bear country, gotta get you a little, hey bear, hey bear. Gotta get those ones going. Whereas one day I just wait for a, oh, and Yogi Bear comes out of the fucking bush, you know, comes out, I steal my sandwich. I don't have any sandwiches, he just fucking eats me, because it's a bear. And then, you know, there goes fucking Andy. Bear victim number whatever in Hokkaido. My legs fucking hurt. Bear kind of come at me now. I don't even know what I'd do. Literally, I think I just have to fucking stand there, scream at him. Like big and tough. Ah, fuck. You know, good fun, but all in all, great hike. Very grateful for it. It's beautiful here. In these woods. See what the rest of the crew is going to feel like when they get back. Iz has gone non-verbal. Georgia seems alright. Jamo's pretty tired. Yeah, I'm pretty fucking knackered too. Anyway, bye. We made it. Sweet, glorious end of the trail. My legs are so fucking wonky donkey, bro. Here we are. Done and dusted. Glorious sight. The end. Can did well, but for timing, got up in 4 hours and down. I don't know how fast we got down, but we can see right here, mate. 7 hours 25 total. Pretty fucking good. Bro, my legs are fucked. I can't even fucking walk properly. They're all proper just like peg legs on me now. We'll put back in with the gang, get everyone's mental health check, vibe check. After, good shit, we made it. Vibe checks. How's everyone feeling?
I feel quite sick actually.
Oh, what's going on?
You know what? It was amazing.
The last bit was a slog, right? Like,
I cried like 3 times.
I was, yeah.
Okay, there you have it. Izzy cried 3 times. Georgia nearly threw up. Jamo's all sweet. He's fucking machine. That's Yōtei. We did it.
We did it.
Good job, gang.
Woo!
Peace out. Bye-bye.